Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to show you my weekend sales on Poshmark for this last weekend. I sold quite a bit, so we're going to see if we made a profit. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I'm going to show you my weekend sales, but one thing I do want to share with you is I just opened up a cell phone accessories palette, and I did list quite a bit of things, but there were a lot of things that I just couldn't find or I didn't think that it was worth it to list with fees. So I have created these 25 assorted cell phone accessories box. There's definitely enough money in these boxes. And so I've got them listed on eBay, so check it out in the link in the description below in my eBay store, but I've got multiple ones here, and all of them have a good variety of things like otterboxes. They've got some of those protectant shields, things like that. But I've got so much going on, I just didn't have time to list them individually. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to offer it to you guys for kind of a lump sum sale. So everything has 25 or more items in each box. So just wanted to kind of offer that to you guys as viewers first. All right, first thing that we sold is a lavender camisole. Not a huge sale that came in one of my liquidation boxes from Bulq.com. And so I paid $1 for it. It sold for $6. I offered a discount and then ended up earning $1.25. So 25 cents is my actual profit. So remember, I'm taking the fees and my cost of purchase off of each one of the numbers I put on the board. So then I give you total actual in-pocket profit numbers. The next thing that I sold is a Jockey Crew set of shirts. Again, $1 is what I paid for it. $3.25 is what I earned. Take my dollar off. $2.25 for that particular item. Then many of you have seen me sell these really cute Holy Land genuine mother of pearl olive wood cross necklaces. $2.05 is what I earned. I actually paid only 65 cents at the the ASD Market Week in Las Vegas when I went a couple years ago. And so $2.05 minus 65 is $1.40. Making me do math on the fly here. Alrighty, then I have a bundle of 3 items. I've got an Exhilaration bikini top, then I've got an Exhilaration floral bikini bottom, as well as a Massimo black bikini bottom. $14.28 were my earnings. $1 a piece is all I have invested in there, and so I'm at $11.28 for my profits. I love bundles, and if you haven't watched me say that, you've not watched my channel enough, because I say that almost every time I sell a bundle on Poshmark. All right. Then I've got a crop top that says Dream On Babe, $1.25. I got that from the Goodwill outlet. 50 cents is what I paid for that. So my cents, here's a picture of it if you want to see it up close. 50 cents minus my $1.25 is going to put me at 75 cents of profit on that particular item. And so not too bad. I mean, it's been on my store for a while, and I think I sold another one just like it. All right, then I clicked the wrong button here. Then I have a sexy red baby doll sheer lingerie set. I paid $1 for those from Liquidator. $2.25 is what I earned on that particular sale, but I sold a bunch of those, so let's see the difference in sales for each one of them. So $2.25 minus $1 is $1.25 for my profits there.
Do you have a picture?
I do. Looks like that. And then, the cool thing about it is the company I ordered it from, I was able to get a stock photo from. So that really helps my listing on Poshmark. Then I've got a new with tags Massimo strappy front backless swimsuit. $1 what I paid, $2.05 is what I earned, so I'm at $1.05 for profits. I don't see very big numbers coming on here, so I'm really hoping that they start to get larger as I go on down the line. All right, Everyday Racerback Bra, Gilligan and O'Malley. This one here, just a plain bra, underwire. $5.05 is what I earned, $1 is what I paid, so $4.05 are my profits there. And then I had another bra Another Gilligan and O'Malley, same thing. Only $6.05 is what I earned on that one. $1 is what I paid, so $5.05. So those are a little better than these. And then I've got a pair of shoes. I usually do pretty good. These are a pair of the Toms that I recently unboxed. So really, really cute pair. They're fun rainbow on the inside. So I ended up paying $4 for those off of a Via Trading liquidation pallet. $24 is what I earned, and so $20 is my profit on that pair of shoes. I think I have another pair of Toms for sale as well. So if you're interested in the Toms, check them out on my Poshmark store. Then we're getting into Christmas. Yay! I love Christmas. Although it's like 90 degrees today at the end of September, first day of October, whatever day it is. Christmas sweater. Don't need it in the 90-degree weather, but you'll eventually figure it out. So I paid $1 out of a liquidation box for that. Here is a picture so you can see it a little bit more clearly of the fun. $12 is what I earned on that, so $11 of profit for that adorable Christmas sweater. Rudolph Christmas sweater. Cool Rudolph, because he's got some awesome shades on.
$11 Rudolph.
$11 Rudolph. All right, then I've got a pair of Indigo Rain ankle jeans, $15.20, $2 out of a liquidation box. You've got to see the picture of this one because it's got a lot of fun patches. So I said I paid $15.20. Here is the picture. So $15.20 minus the 2 is $13.20 for those fun patchwork jeans. You can definitely see why they sold for a bunch. So having the stock photo on those, and then I also added my own photos, so that always makes it sell a little bit quicker with some of those items. Then I've got a bundle. Woo woo. Sorry, I just had a 90s flashback there. That was terrible. I know. My husband is shaking his head like, don't ever do that again. All right. Women's seamless cami black Gilligan and O'Malley. Just a plain tank top. Then an unlined underwear bra, Exhilaration. That's purple. Women's halter bra, a black one, and a halter Gilligan and O'Malley, an orange one. And so those were each $1 investment, so $4 invested. $14.20 is what I earned. So I'm at $10.20 for my total profit on that bundle. See why I like bundles? All right, we're back to another one of those baby doll robes like we showed you earlier. And so that one, remember we have $2 invested, $1 invested. Sorry, couldn't think for a minute. All right, $1 invested, $2.25 for my earnings there, so another $1.25. So I believe that was the same as what we said before. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, then we have a Dana Buckman trimmed floral blouse, $4.25. Let me show you the picture. $4.25. We actually have $1 invested in that, so we're at $3.25 for that investment. So as you can see, taking good pictures is really something that's beneficial. I always try to use the mannequins. All right, then we have another piece of lingerie. This one is exactly similar to the red one, but it's black and pink. $2.05. We have $1 invested, so $1.05 are my profits there. Then I have a swimsuit, because you can't find swimsuits at the end of the season. It's really difficult, so online is the only place you can find it. $2, I got that from a liquidator. Here's a really cute picture of it. $6.25. I have 2 different color mannequins, so $2 minus $6.25, $4.25. I have 2 different color mannequins because if I have a darker color piece of clothing, it looks better on a white mannequin, and then if I have a lighter color piece of clothing, it looks better on the darker black mannequin that I have. So that's an option for you guys if you're interested. Sometimes you can also just put an undershirt on your mannequin, and that makes a difference as well. So tidbit for you. Another set, baby doll lingerie set, $1 invested, $4.25 is earning, so $3.25 on that. It must be the lingerie set. Everybody wants to buy lingerie on the weekends, I guess. Alrighty.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? We have 3 reasons that tell me, yes, you do understand. All right, so women's chenille pullover sweater. Let me show you the picture. It sold for $12. My earnings were $9, and then we paid $2 out of liquidation. So $7. Oops, sorry, got to get to the picture. $7.05 is my profit. All right, then we have another cute baby doll robe right here. $3.25. Woo! I made one more dollar than the other one. All right, $3.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So I'm at $2.25. The nice thing about this listing is I made it once and I have multiple items of it, and so it didn't take me any more time. The only time I invest is shipping any of the sold items. I have got a women's Cassie black combat boots, Massimo lace up, looks just like this. And that sold for $2.25. I paid $4 for it. So I'm at negative $1.75. Woo! That was a terrible price markdown. I should have paid much better attention. Bad on me. But one less thing in my store that I have to share. Alrighty. So remember, I still get the $2.25, but if you take off what I paid, you know, at least I earned some money back. All right, then I have a new with tags, Cat and Jack pewter. Little cute baby boots. Look at them. They're so cute. They're right here. But look at the picture. It's much cuter if you get to look at the picture of the cute size 4 Cat and Jack boots. So those actually came out of a Bulq.com liquidation box. So I spent about $2 on those. My earnings on those little kid shoes, $7.05. So I'm at $5.05 of earnings for this weekend's sales. I do want to remind you, I did say it at the beginning of this video, but don't forget to check out my 25 assorted cell phone accessories box. I did take pictures of what's inside the box. It could be something similar, but I always made sure that it was a really good assortment so that you will make some money on it. So check that out. Then I've got a pair of women's scrunch black ballet flat shoes. They look just like this. $4 is what I paid from via trading off of an assorted shoe lot. $12 is what I earned. So I'm at $8 of profit on those pair of shoes. And last but not least, you have seen me sell these before, and I have a few more left. Not too many more, but a pair of waterproof A New Day Chelsea style black boots. They're super cute, super soft and pliable. They're not like typical rubber boots. They're actually pretty comfortable. $13.60 is what I earned. $7 is what I paid. So 7 minus $13.60 is $6.60. So I'm going to add all of these up for my weekend sales. Let's see what we come up to for total profits. Remember, this is after fees and after I take off all of my cost of purchase for each one of these items. So let's see what the profit is. All right, I've got everything added up. It came to 24 separate orders over this weekend, which is awesome. $121.98. So something that I like to do on the weekends is once a week, I try to do some price adjusting so that I can get a lot more items sold through the weekend or whatever day that I price adjust. So that's something to look into. Lower some of the items that you've had on there for quite some time. You can just filter for the ones that have been there the longest. So $121.98. Don't forget about my 25 assorted cell phone and accessories box. They're new or like new condition, everything in there. So they're really, really awesome. iPhone cases, Android cases, charging cables, FM transmitters so you can turn your car into a Bluetooth if you don't have that option for phone calls, things like that in there, some tripods, selfie sticks, all sorts of fun stuff. So check it out, 25 assorted cell phone accessories box. Check the eBay link in the description below. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.